A very good morning, dear students. I am your Shashi ma'am. Yes, we have been discussing adjectives, children. In previous class, I asked you to practice adjectives. Have you practiced, children? Yes, very good. You are all very good children. So now, we let us learn the rule for forming comparative and superlative adjectives. Yes, my dear students, this is the rule number 1. What is the word here? Look at here. What is this word read? L-A-R-G-E, large. This is positive degree. See, look at here. If the positive degree ends in E. See, the word ends in E. What is the last letter? E. So, we have to add R and ST to form comparative and superlative degrees. Yes, children, I repeat, this is the rule 1 to form comparative and superlative adjectives. See here, if the positive adjective ends in E, last letter E, we have to add R to form comparative degree, ST to form superlative degree. Have you understood? Here, large is positive degree. What is comparative? Larger. What is superlative? Largest. Yes, children. Look at what is the second word? Adjective. Second adjective, fine. This is positive degree. Hey, all of you look at this ending letter. What is this? E. Very good. Can you tell comparative and superlative degrees now? What is comparative degree? Yes, very good. Finer. What is superlative degree? Finest. Because the rule here, the word ends in E, we have to add R here to form comparative. We have to add ST to form superlative. Yes, children. Fine, finer, finest. Good. Let's look at here, children. What is this adjective? Wise. The word ends in E. We have to form comparative by adding R, wiser. What is superlative? Wisest. See here, we are just adding R to form comparative degree. We are just adding ST to form superlative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. You have to remember this rule, children. What is this rule? If the positive degree word ends in E. See, look at these three words. What is the last letter? E. Here, E. Here, E. In this case, we have to add R. See, look at here. To form comparative degree. And here, we have to add ST. To that, this particular positive word, positive degree. So, this is superlative degree. Yes, my dear student, this is another rule. See, look at this word. Look at this adjective positive degree. E-A-S-Y, easy. What is this letter? Y. So here, if the positive adjective ends in Y and Y is preceded by a consonant, what is this letter? Yes. What is the sound? Consonant. The Y is changed into I before adding ER, EST. Children, what have you understood here? In the place of Y, we removed Y. What have we added here? The letter I. In the place of Y, we have to add to form comparative degree I, E, R. Here is superlative degree I, E, S, T. Easy, easier, easiest. Understand? Yes, children, look at the next adjective. What is this? H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Again, what is this letter? It ends in Y. And before Y, what is this? Consonant. Yes, we have to follow the rule. What is the rule? Here in the place of Y, we have to write I-E-R, happier. H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier. We should not use Y here. In the place of Y, we have to use the letter I-E-R, and to form superlative degree, I-E-S-T. Happy, happier, happiest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Let's look at here, children, another positive adjective. What is this? L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Here, what is the letter? Y. Before that, consonant. we have to apply the same rule here. What is the comparative degree, children? In the place of y, we have to use IER and superlative IEST. Lazy is positive, lazier comparative, and laziest superlative. Have you understood? Yes, come on, children. Another rule. See, look at this adjective, positive degree. F-A-T, fat. One syllable word, fat. What is this letter T? Is it vowel sound or consonant? Is it vowel or consonant? Consonant. Before that, a short vowel. In this case, if the positive degree has only one syllable and ends in one consonant, and consonant is preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled. See, look at here. We double this letter, fat, fatter. Before adding ER and EST, we have to double this letter, fat, fatter, fattest. Have you understood? Once again, see, the positive degree, this is one syllable word and it ends in consonant, and before the consonant we have here short vowel. In this case, we have to double this letter to form comparative degree and superlative degree before adding ER and EST. Now come on, repeat along with me. Fat, fatter, fattest. See, here we have doubled this letter to form comparative degree and to form superlative degree. Look at this spelling, children. F-A-T-T-E-R. F-A-T-T-E-S-T. Let's look at this adjective, children. This word, what is this? B-I-G. Big. What is this letter G? Is it consonant? Yes, very good. Before that, vowel. So what we have to write to form comparative and superlative degree? Very good. Bigger, biggest. This letter we have to double to write the spelling. Let's look at, children. Here we double this letter G. What is the spelling? B-I-G-G-E-R. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Yes, children. Have you understood the rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, children? Here, this is your homework, children. You apply rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3 and to form write comparative and superlative degrees of these 3 adjectives. Have a nice day.